So this is the canteen, cafeteria, central cafeteria in Google. So it's a free food here. Samosa chaat, dahi potato, pav bhaji, masala pav. These all Indian varieties in Google office, Google campus, Google cafeteria. So see, this is the izakaya, soups. So you can see Indians. So we are waiting for the fruits. So this is the food I have taken today. Fruits, chaat, pav bhaji. So and we are sitting here and eating. So this is the place people sit in. So people are having their lunch during lunchtime. So it is 12:30 p.m. So people are enjoying at 12:15 p.m. So we have finished our lunch, myself and Rakesh. So I have taken apple juice. It is also free. So all drinks, food, chat, everything is free here in Google. పర్లేదు పర్లేదు పర్లేదు. This is building 41. So total how many buildings are there?
నెంబర్స్ అలా 40 అంటే కానీ అన్ని ఉన్నాయో లేవో డౌట్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో అట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అనమాట.
ఓకే ఓకే
కౌంట్
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఇనిషియల్ గూగుల్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అది హ్యూజ్ ఉందని చెప్పొచ్చు తెలవడానికి జనాలు స్టార్టింగ్ 40 ఇయర్ల స్టార్ట్ చేశారు.
కానీ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ బిల్డింగ్స్ 150 ఉంటాయి కదా అక్కడ సియాటిల్ హెడ్ ఆఫీస్.
అక్కడ కొంచెం చాలా పెద్ద ఉంది. ఇవి టోటల్ 40 ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి అంటే డిఫరెంట్ లొకేషన్స్ కలుపుతాయి. మౌంటైన్ అయితే నాకు
ఓకే ఓకే. See, beautiful. We can come here and sit using Wi-Fi. We can work here. So ఇక్కడైనా వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఎనీవేర్ వైఫై ఉంటుంది క్యాంపస్. ఓకే. A small canal in Google campus. So these are different buildings. See the trees, beautiful trees. So this is one more cafeteria. So there are 20 to 25 cafeterias in Google. All are free for employees and visitors. So we no need to pay even ₹1 or $1. So that is excellent. There is one more cafeteria. See how big it is. It is bigger than the cafeteria where we had lunch. So there are sandwich, salad, falafel, chicken, all varieties are available. See, juice, water, very good hanging areas. So we are doing for the price. Automatic drink. Use cups here. So we can also take bike. So Google bike for free, and we can use it. So this is the bike, but it's only one bike. So Rakesh is checking if we have another bike so that we can tour the campus on bike, and so that we can finish quickly. So because he has meeting at 2 o'clock, so he has to drop me off at Mountain View Caltrain station, and then he has to come back like 10 minutes going, 10 minutes coming back. So and he has to attend his meeting at 2 o'clock. He is from Nagar Karnool, Mehboob district. His wife is from Kamareddy. So we saw 2 bikes parked there. So we are going there to take 2 bikes because we need 2 bikes. You can see squirrel. Indian employees, Indian origin, I mean to say. So these 2 cycles we are taking. So I am taking a bike. So riding a bike in Google campus. Cycling in Google campus. Very good experience. You can see the Google campus, and I used to cycle. I used to go to my school in 10th class. Almost like it is like several decades. So Rakesh, my friend, is also going on bike. So cycling at the same time taking video is a bit tough. This is Google store. So like Apple store, we can buy Google products here. We can also have coffee, tea. Excellent. So Google Pixel is their phone. So we are continuing our cycling in Google campus after the lunch. So we are touring the entire campus. So it is amazing. See Rakesh is employee of Google. So he's able to go without any. That is Google Drive in Google campus. This is Charleston Road. We took some pictures in 2021 on this road. We used two bikes, bicycles, and we have parked here, and we are going back to Mountain View station. So this is free coffee for Google employees and visitors. We are going to take because it is free. So these are all Google offices. Copyright అని చెప్పి బ్లాగ్ చేసి పైరసీ
ఇదా
ఏదైనా.
యాక్చువల్లీ మీరు పెద్ద ట్రిప్ చాలా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇటు సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది.
Okay. So left road goes to Microsoft. So we are on San Jose and Cupertino Road highway. So yesterday night also I think we took this same route to go to Cupertino.
View.
Okay, this is Mountain View neighborhood. See how beautiful it is. So climate is excellent today, but there is no sunshine today like yesterday and day before yesterday. So totally it is gloomy today. We are going towards
turn left onto Hope Street.
Mountain
turn
View.
left onto West Evelyn
Mountain
Avenue.
View Cal station. So you can see. I got down this Mountain View. So Cal train. So now I have to go to San Jose. So using Cal train. So I will check the timetable and go to San Jose. So that is VTA light rail, but I will take later because I have already tapped my ticket. So I have to use this Cal train now. So this is Mountain View Cal train stop. So I have a train at 1:24 p.m. So train number 130. So I am on time. So luckily he dropped me off at 1:15 p.m. So I have almost like 10 minutes. So I can take this train. I can record the video. So I will just go to the front and I will record from the front of the train. Cal train to San Jose Diridan is coming. So I take this train, go to San Jose, spend some time there, and from San Jose I take Ace train, and then I go to Lathrop. So this is my plan for now. You can see beautiful Cal train is coming with red and white color. Excellent. Lower deck, double deck. So I sit on the double deck, upper deck. So this is 130, train number 130, San Jose Diridan, you can see. So I board here, I go to upper deck. So I am boarding the train.
This is southbound local train 130, making all
So
stops
I
to
go
San
to-
Jose Diridon.
So I go to the
Caution,
upper deck.
the doors are about to close.
Doors already closing.
Please stay clear of the doors and hold on.
This I am going towards. So this upper deck. I sit here for next 10-15. This is Sunnyvale. Yesterday I came here
This is
and
southbound local
had
train
dinner
130,
and went
making
back
all
to
stops to San
San
Jose
Francisco.
Diridon.
So
Next
from
stop,
here,
Lawrence.
this is new route for me. So next stop is Lawrence.
Caution,
After
the
that,
doors are about to close.
Santa Clara.
For your safety,
And after
please
that, Santa Clara. So here there is a beach we have visited in the year 2021. So from here, San Jose Airport is close. VTA train connection is there, and ACE Capital Corridor trains are there. So using ACE, I can go to Lathrop, my cousin's house, in the evening.